Before you start EUGYing, wash your hands. Make sure your surface is clean. Let's begin. Push out each piece and place in sequence. And don't forget to read our fun facts. Now we are ready to start EUGYing. Glue L1 and R1 together. Apply the glue near the edges of the pieces, but don't use too much glue. Hold for 20 seconds. Squeeze the edges of the A-bar. Put the A-bar in the slot. Start adding the next pieces in order. Did you know? There are around 20,000 species of bees worldwide. Only a few hundred species make honey, and only the honeybees make the sweet honey. Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Push through the A-bar. Add the final piece using the alignment guide. Did you know? Bumblebees are great pollinators rather than honeymakers. Without them, food wouldn't grow. 1/3 of the food we eat each day relies on the pollination of bees. Let's repeat with the right side. Did you know? Honeybees can only sting once, while bumblebees can sting multiple times. Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Add the final piece using the alignment guide. All complete! When you are finished, don't forget to tidy up and recycle the cardboard panels.
Bring home your whale! EUGY!
Meet more EUGY friends on our website.